It is time for my curls to finally be useful for something. So I feel like they don't really need anything happening here. So I could have, not spent a bunch of money on things and just gone au naturel. But we're not like that. We're not gonna make this easy on ourselves now, are we? Nope. So I've got newspaper and bobby pins, and let's make some magic happen. For the record, no idea what we're doing here, but I think we're going to try and crumple some newspaper up to give it volume. So I'm gonna take the back hair and flip it over the front. This made a lot of sense when I was sitting at work. I'm going to pull a bunch of sections forward or backwards, covering up this newspaper, and I'm going to fake tease it with my fingers because I don't have a comb apparently. And then I'm going to zhuzh it up to give her more of a Winifred look. What a glorious evening. Makes me sick. This probably would be easier with other people, but my wretched sisters were not available. Something about needing someone to light a candle. And then with my Target spray paint that I got from the $3 section, I'm going to just spray paint back and forth. My sister thinks I should dye my hair brown. What do you think? I think it's better red. It is time. I found at the Mere Mortal Amazon store my prized dress. It's been 300 years since I was able to wear it, but now I am back. It is back. Let's see or do an ta-ta-ta. Here's my gorgeous dress. Let's give her a try on. Ha ha, my darlings. My hair's a little flatter than it was, but 300 years has been a while.